that thing that I want to teach you about is called the global keyword. And global is used to let Python know that whatever variable you're using with global should be available both inside and outside the function. Basically, what it means is I'm talking about the variable x, not just the local to the inside the function variable x. So this is how that would look. Let's take a look at what this code does. There we go. And one a little indent. Okay, so what we've got here is similar code to what we have before, but what we have inside the function that's different is we've used the global word to identify x as a global variable. Now, what happens to x inside the function also happens to x outside the function. So what are you expecting x will equal on the last line of this program? 33. And you'd be correct. Because now that I'm using the global statement, x is being referenced as a global x. All I have to do is comment that out, and you can see that x goes back to 20 on that last line. So you got to be really careful with variable scope, and you have to be really paying attention to, are you using the global or not, and what variables are inside your function versus outside your function. Because even if they're named the same, that doesn't mean that they're the same variable, because what happens in the function stays in the function. And it's not the same as what's going on outside the function. All that to say, I want to say it one more time. Most of you won't totally listen to me, but that's okay. Don't use global except when that is really the only option. In almost every other case, you should really try to put data into the function using parameters, get data back out using the return keyword. That's much better. It's a clean way to preserve that black box of a function, and that is really how we want to be doing things 99% of the time. Okay? So